Hey everyone! Have you ever glanced at a map and spotted that tiny country snug between France and Spain? Yep, that's Andorra, a small nation with a big story. And today I'm diving into the fascinating tale behind its national flag. Now, you might be thinking, Andorra? Where's that? Trust me, you're not alone. With just about 80,000 people and nestled up in the stunning Pyrenees Mountains, Andorra is easy to overlook. But its flag? That's something you won't want to miss. The flag of Andorra is a bold tricolor, blue, yellow, and red, standing tall and proud. Blue, yellow, red. Each stripe tells part of Andorra's story. The blue represents France, the red stands for Spain, and that sunny yellow in the middle? It's the bridge between two powerful neighbors, symbolizing Andorra's independence and neutrality. Pretty clever, right? Now smack dab in the center is the Andorran coat of arms. Let's zoom in. There's a shield packed with history. You've got the mitre and staff for the Bishop of Urgell, the red and yellow stripes for Catalonia, and other heraldic symbols that tell more of the story. It's basically a thank you note to the folks who've protected Andorra for centuries. And get this, the flag's proportions aren't even. Unlike most tricolors, Andorra's middle yellow band is a little wider than the blue and red, making it totally unique. Some say it's to ensure the coat of arms is always center stage, but honestly, it just makes the flag stand out in a crowd. So why does all this matter? Flags aren't just pieces of cloth, they're stories woven into every thread. The Andorran flag is a reminder that even the smallest nations can have the most colorful histories. Independence, friendship. Finding your own place in the world, surrounded by giants. If you learned something new, or if you just love cool flag stories, hit that like button. Got a flag you want me to cover next? Drop it in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Info Infinity Loop for more awesome bite-sized history every week. Thanks for hanging out. See you in the next one.